Okay guys, welcome back to another video on Foxtecc. In this one, I'm gonna guide you through the process of setting up Notion on your iPad. Now, as you can tell, Notion is very useful. I use it every single day, both for work as well as for my personal organization. So it's a very useful tool, right? So let's get started. Obviously, the first thing is to if you want to set it up, you need to have an app which you like download from the App Store. If you don't know, you can use it on the computer, on mobile, like on the iPad, on the iPhone, Android, and on all of these platforms, Notion has their own specific app. So on the iPad, go to the App Store and make sure you download the app to make sure that you can actually like start using this. So when you first set up Notion, focus on its core functions, like for example, task management or note-taking. You can start with a basic setup, which includes a simple to-do list or just a note page, right? But this will help you get comfortable with the platform and all of the basic features. And as you continue using it, you're gonna start noticing that there is a new feature here, and you can add this type of title. You can customize the font on your page, and you can add and embed code, you can embed pictures and Google Maps, all of the great stuff, but you have to start gradually. So just start typing in the text and then, for example, select it. Then just keep on doing that. And this is how you set up all of the knowledge and get to learn the user interface and how it essentially works, right? So yeah, you can also, if you really want to be fancy with it, you can set clear goals on what you want to accomplish with the Notion, so you can define your priorities. For me, it is to have an idea about these videos, like to script them, write some notes, the descriptions, and all the stuff, I want to organize my work. So yeah, I use it that way. For you, it might be something different, or perhaps you want to use it for school or just to rearrange the stuff in your apartment, whatever it is. Just decide what you want to use it for and make sure you stick with it so you achieve your goals with Notion. But when it comes to the basic setup process, you need to have the app installed and be signed in with Google account, Gmail, or other way to just like sign into Notion. But once you have this, just start learning all of the features and decide what you want to use Notion for, and then gradually start embedding pictures, Google Maps, whatever it is, but just start doing it gradually so you have an idea of how it works. But that would be my tutorial or my explanation on how you can set up Notion on iPad. I hope you found this useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.